Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Trucker John Show. It is a Wednesday morning, May 1st, 2019. Just returning back here to the warehouse in Brenningsville to pick up my load. We ended up staying here last night because our load wasn't ready. I want to thank you for joining me today. See, what are the geese up to today? $54.33, that's the right number. All right, we're rolling. It's 8 o'clock and we're out the gate already. Should be in Painted Post about 11:45.
Want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. When I'm with you. Like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. You got your high heels on, I'm wearing my worn out jeans. What could go wrong? Sipping on a beer, sing along to our favorite songs. All I want is you. You make my world spin round and round. Sometimes I don't know what to do, cause my heart starts racing when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this. Being with you is a never-ending sunshine. A never-ending sunshine. You close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this. Being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now
Okay guys, we're just here arriving at our delivery and painted post. It is 11:45 and our window is noon to 2, so we did good getting up here. Alright, gonna sneak in behind Walmart here and go next door. Gotta watch this corner here because the cars come flying down through here. Okay, all clear. And there is somebody in the dock right now, so we'll go get checked in and give them our paperwork, and probably be the next ones in, hopefully. Okay guys, just got empty here at Painted Post. Slid my tandems. I'm gonna close the doors now. Gotta check the pins on the trailer. Oh man, I parked right by the stop sign. I guess I should have pulled up a little bit more. Not gonna get the door closed past that stop sign. All right, let's fix that. Okay, everything looks good. Yeah, about 3.5 hours we'll be back down in Brenningsville. Yeah, hopefully the load I'm going to get is going to be ready. I can pick it up and probably have a couple hours I can run up the road before I got to shut down. If it goes anything like it's been doing the last couple of nights, it probably won't be ready, but we'll see. We'll give it a shot. We'll get back down there anyway. If it's not ready, we just have to take a break there. Okay, we are rolling again. Getting on 99 here, headed south, just out of Painted Post. Should be in Brenningsville by about 5:30, I think. Okay, it's about 10 minutes after 5 p.m. and we are just arriving back here in Brenningsville. Looks like we're going to have about 3.5 hours left to drive. So we can get more than halfway towards our stop tomorrow before we have to shut down. That'll be good. Guess I can almost make it back to where I delivered today. Pretty close. Okay, we got our paperwork from the office and we are trolling for my trailer here. I think it's supposed to be right over here somewhere. Still got 3 hours and 40 minutes to drive, but my 14 is starting to get close. Like I only got 4 hours and 4 minutes or something like that. So, gotta get moving. Let's check our seal, 5351, that's the right number. Okay guys, we are rolling, headed up towards Batavia. Definitely not going to make it there. I only got 3 hours and 40 minutes to drive, and it's about 300 miles, so not sure where I'm going to stop yet.
You have 0 hours and 16 minutes of remaining drive.
I'm parked at the Walmart here in Horseheads, New York, all done for the day. Got just a little over 100 miles to go in the morning to get to my delivery. It's only, what is it, 9:30? Yeah, it's 9:40 right now, so we can take off at 7:40. But probably won't leave until about 8:30. Somewhere's right in there, around 8:30, so I don't want to get to the delivery too early because the window doesn't start till 11. If I leave at 7:45, I'd probably be there at 9, 9:30, something like that. I don't want to get there that early, so yeah. So probably 8:30. Probably leave around 8:30. Not sure yet. We'll see what happens. See if I'll change my mind. I usually do. But anyway, thanks for joining me here today at the Trucker John Show. Glad you could be here. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe if you like the content. I make a video just about every weekday, sometimes on the weekend. Hope you can come back and see me tomorrow, guys. Take care. Have a good evening.